This order ready to ship. This is Purple Haze, Natural Mystic, Pink Panther, all these Vietnamese red, neon, Myla and Lisa, and this box take tin cutting around 8 to 14 inches. If you're interested of any cutting, just send me a message or check my eBay store, Shop the Best. I send cutting all over United States. Thank you for watching, guys. Good morning, dragon fruit lover. I'm gonna do update in June about my dragon fruit, how they doing right now in June. We have a lot of buds, flowers and fruit, which is a beautiful season now. This is Makisuba. Have a lot of buds, beautiful buds. Last year it gave me a very tasty fruit. I love them. I'm gonna keep just two here, they're too big. I'll remove the small one. Yeah, this is Makisuba. Very nice. Very red flush, tasty fruit. American Beauty, a lot of new branches. I got 3-4 flowers, none of them pass. I don't know what's the problem, but there's a lot. I need to remove all of these in the top. And I have an eBay order. I'm preparing the cutting to send them all over America. If anybody interested, if any cutting, just let me know or check my store on eBay. Country Road, amazing. Every branch there's flower. Country Road. This one have fruit already and flowers here. This one too. So nice. This is 3 years old yellow palora seedling. I planted this from seeds. I graft some of them. I will see if I get fruit this year. And here's Arizona. Arizona. Oh, there's one in the top. That's happens sometimes, you lose. But thanks God, the percentage is nothing what I'm losing. That's why keep the flower, because some of them they're not gonna go through. You don't know why. And here's the big one and the tree. Most of these fruit, they are doing good. Sour Patch Kids. is Coneymeyer. Some of the plants, they have a lot of branches. That's why I don't see any flowers now. This is the yellow palora. Look, a lot of branches. San Ignacio. I don't see anything yet. Oh, this one. This is San Ignacio. Buds here. Coneymeyer. All of them, they go through. In my old videos, when I pollinate all of these. I remove all these flowers now, and they are 100% success. I don't lose any of them. This is the unknown red here. You see the fruit? Here we have a Zamorano. Oh, this is white variety. Halley's Comet. Red Jenna. This is my favorite white. Tastes like lychee. This is Purple Haze. Halley's Comet. This is KVA. KVA. This is Purple Haze. This is a components. Red. Rooney. Voodoo Child. This is Voodoo Child. This is Aswanta Tree. This is Myla. Myla is a self-pollination red flush. Produce a lot of fruit. This is Godzilla. This is one of my favorite, Arizona purple. This is G1. I don't see this one flower when it's open. I don't know if it's self-pollination. We'll see. I did not pollinate this one. This is G1. I want to keep an eye on it to check if it's self-pollination. This is Terracia. How you know Terracia? You see that coat? The white, you see how long these, and this is the fruit. This is KVA. Oh, this is maybe tomorrow they're gonna open. KVA. This one opened last night, but they don't give me too much pollen. We'll see what we're gonna have today. Valdivia Roja. And this is Sugar Dragon. Sugar Dragon, a lot of buds. This is Natural Mystic. My old video shows when I pollinate this. buds coming here. This is more naturalistic.